Hey friends, it's me, Jess. Welcome back to my channel, A Card Day's Work. I am just getting started on my very first studio vlog. You may be wondering what in the heck a studio vlog is, and if you're new here, this is something brand new that I'm trying out for the channel. If you're not new here, hold on because it's going to be a wild ride. I decided that I wanted to try out studio vlogging. And what that means is, there's a jet outside. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but it's a regular occurrence around here. Anyhow, studio vlogging basically gives you a behind the scenes look at what it is that I do on a day-to-day basis or throughout the week. So my goal is to do a studio vlog once a week-ish. Basically what I'll do is I will show you guys what I'm working on. So if I am illustrating, that is something that I will kind of include footage of. If I am working on packing orders for my Etsy shop, I will include that as well. If I am organizing the studio or cleaning up in here, that is definitely something that needs to be done. I won't even show you that side of the room. It's a train wreck right now. But yeah, so basically what I'm hoping to do or accomplish out of this is have you guys see a behind the scenes look of what goes on in my space, my world's kind of behind the scenes look at what I'm doing. Also, I am in the process of starting a new business. So currently, if you're not familiar with kind of like what I do or who I am, I manage this YouTube channel, but also I illustrate stamp sets for a company called Maker Forte. I'm a signature designer for them. So I have recurring releases of my designs that I put out like maybe monthly, but sometimes a little less frequently than that, just kind of depending on what's going on. So I illustrate those designs using my iPad and Procreate, and they get turned into stamp sets that people then use to make greeting cards. So I do that. I am on the design team for Simon Hurley Create. So I have videos that I publish twice monthly for that. I also work closely with Ranger, doing classes for them on behalf of Ranger on the Michaels website. I do a lot of random stuff. Hopefully this will be really edited and I won't have to worry about looking silly during this, but who knows, whatever. Maybe you guys like to see this side of things. Anyhow, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this, if you hate it, I mean, maybe don't be mean, but just let me know what you think. And if there's things that you want to see or you have questions about, feel free to talk to me or ask me about it. But what I was saying earlier is that basically I have an Etsy shop already called A Card Day's Work where I sell my greeting cards. Things have honestly been very slow for quite a while and I haven't really been getting very many sales. And so I've been exploring other options for kind of how I can make my business more of a business and sort of expand things and see where it goes. In that, I did create a new business. I am in the process of getting products loaded onto my Etsy shop, and then I'm hoping to do sort of like a launch of the new shop, so you guys will be the first ones to know about it. I have called it Maisie and Maple, and I think it's super cute. I'm going to do digital downloads and prints and things like that, and I'm also going to be changing the focus of my Etsy shop away from only greeting cards and adding in stickers, maybe notebooks, like possibly art prints. Also, I would love to do enamel pins someday, but that's still down the road because I don't exactly know how to do all that. It's going to take a lot of research, so it's going to be a while. But yeah, I don't know. I'm really excited about the prospect of new things and doing something different, and I hope you guys like it. I don't know. So we'll see how it goes. Hope you enjoy the ride. And yeah, I don't know. I'll see you later. Okay, let's get to work. All right, we are in the car on the way to IKEA. I am so excited. And the kids are sleeping because of course they are. This is what they do. Every time we get in the car, they just like fall asleep. Anyway, we got the trailer attached to the back of the car. You can see it back there. Ooh. And we are going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Anyway, okay, so yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. We're gonna stop for lunch in a little bit because I'm hungry, and then we'll be back on the road. And oh no, he woke up. We'll be back on the road and heading back towards IKEA. I can't wait to show you guys what we're picking up. Yay! Okay, so we just stopped for lunch. We picked up some fast food and we stopped at a park to try to find somewhere to eat where there wouldn't be a bunch of people. We found a fairly abandoned park, and so the kids ate and then now they're gonna go play. It's still so weird for me to see them with masks on while they're playing outside. I don't know, it's kind of weird. But they're gonna play for a few minutes and then we'll get back on the road on our way to IKEA. Woohoo! We're here. I need you to do it as Mama shows it to you, please.
Why can't we just do it all at the same time?
Scan this 6 times. One. Okay. 1, 2.
Stop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Okay, go ahead. Thanks. We just finished up inside IKEA and I am exhausted. Going to a store like that with kids 4 and 6 is a nightmare. Is a lot. I'm glad that it's over. I wish that I could have spent more time looking around and trying to find stuff that would have fit perfectly for the craft room, but it was just too chaotic. There were people everywhere and it was giving me major anxiety. So now we're back at the car loading everything into the trailer and we're gonna go get some dinner, I guess. I don't know. We've got a 3-hour drive on the way back home, so yay. All right, so it's the next day. My husband's mowing the lawn, so I'm gonna go to IKEA again. I'm not going to the really far away one this time. I'm going to the one that's like close to us. It's only like 20 minutes away. They have some stuff that I wanted to pick up. I did a pickup order. I'm horrible, okay? There's no excuses, but here we are. Anyway, I'm going to IKEA to pick up a few things. I'm just really hoping to make the craft room work. My space is it's been like not usable for so long. I have one section that's really good and then the rest of it has just been kind of a disaster for so long. So I'm about to pull out and go to IKEA. And yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully things start coming together really soon. Okay, here we go. right, we are in the process of like remodeling the whole craft room right now, sort of. Not like the big remodel, but getting all of like the old brown furniture out and bringing in the new stuff that's IKEA stuff from like the Besta line. So that is going in over there. It is a big project and Andrew is here. Whoop, there he is. Helping me. So we're gonna go ahead and get to work. No. You good?
I can't see anything.
Okay. Oh no. You're like to the right a little bit. You guys, I am exhausted. This craft room is an absolute disaster, but like things are coming along finally. It is still a really long way to go, and obviously this is not the final like iteration of everything because we still have to like, we're gonna do built-ins like all along the wall over there, but I don't know, we're like getting somewhere. So I'll turn you around so you can see. Hold on. Okay, so there is stuff literally everywhere, but, and that dresser right there is not going to stay there. That's just, I still have stuff in it that I need to like transfer out. This Calex unit is also not going to stay here, but I figured it was good for now because we didn't have another place to put it. So it's going behind me for right now. These Besta units are actually not going to stay here either. Ignore my chair being stained from my jeans. That is apparently a thing that happens. But so these Besta units are going to go on the opposite wall, where this stuff is right now. That's where the Besta units are going to go. And then most of these Alex units down here are going to get filtered into the built-in system that's going to go on this wall. So you can see that the slanty wall is horrible. It's the roof over the garage. Obviously this is the room over the garage. So, you know, like the ceiling, oops, sorry about my finger. The ceiling just slants all the way down like that. And it makes for a very cramped feeling space. So we're going to do built-ins along this wall. So the Besta are here just temporarily, but they are really cool. And then over here, so we turned my desk. It used to be like lengthwise here, and it definitely made the room feel really small as well. So we're just getting things organized. There's literally stuff everywhere. I can't even believe this, but we just started putting in this. You can see all my flowers out in the hallway too. So this unit is also from IKEA. This is called Boaxel, I think. And then I'm putting my Cricut on top, and then there's going to be a whole nother of it right here beside that. And I'm going to put my new maker, my Cricut maker, up on top of that one. And then above that, we're going to have the flower wall thing that's going to go there. And then there's this other Besta unit over here, which again is just temporary because it's going to be on the opposite wall. But yeah, there's literally stuff everywhere. I'm feeling stressed and overwhelmed, but it's coming along, and we're just going to keep working at it. All right, so I think I'm going to go ahead and leave this studio vlog here for now. It is getting a little bit long as I'm sitting here and editing it. And I think I'll just keep doing the footage and then like kind of put it into the next one. So like you'll get to see the project as it comes together. Gosh, I'm like shaking the camera so much. I'm so sorry. You'll get to see the project as it comes together because it's going to take a long time kind of. So like I think I'll just try to incorporate some of this stuff into like the next studio vlogs, and then I'll just keep taking the footage the same way and we'll go from there. Let me know what you guys think about this. I know that this one specifically was very like more regular vlog heavy, like us going on a trip and like going places and stuff like that. And normally it would have more like actual in the studio stuff, but because this is my main project right now, as far as like getting the craft room reorganized and remodeled and whatever, that is obviously taking up a lot of the bandwidth, and that's what I'm working on right now. So I don't know, it'll normally have like more stuff like me editing, me like packaging stuff for Etsy, me doing all kinds of stuff, and we can talk about like the business aspects of things. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think about it. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Don't be mean, but like, let me know what you think. I've never shot a vlog or anything like this before, really. So I'm just kind of flying by the seat of my pants and seeing what happens. I hope that you guys did enjoy it. I had fun putting it together. So yeah, I don't know. I'll see you guys in the next video really soon. If you haven't subscribed yet and you like what you saw, be sure to hit the subscribe button. The like thumbs up thing helps me a lot as well. So yeah, do all the things. I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.